how to turn off Q&A on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to turn off Q&A on TikTok. So let's begin. The very first option that I would suggest is to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Once you have updated your TikTok app, you may now open your TikTok and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. And then right here, there are actually two ways in turning off Q&A. So if you have this button right here, the Q&A button, simply press on it. And then, as you can see, there will be your suggested, your answers, and your questions. So there is no button right here in which you may turn off. So what you're going to do is to click on the three lines found on the upper right corner of the screen and then click on Creator Tools. Again, go to the three lines found on the upper right corner of the screen and click on Creator Tools. Once you are in Creator Tools, go to Q&A right here and then wait for it to load. Click on the three dots found on the upper right corner, and then as you can see, there are two options that you can modify. So the first one is to show on profile, and then the second one is to select who can invite you to answer questions. So if you want to turn off Q&A, simply press on this one, the very first option. So just click on the toggle button and make sure the toggle button has been turned into gray. And as you can see, the Q&A button now has been gone on your profile. You may also choose no one right here so that no one could invite you to answer questions. So now press back once again, and then that's it. That's how you can turn off Q&A on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.